Hello, my wonderful friends. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Adele if you are new, and today I'm going to be giving you an apartment tour. So I have wanted to do an apartment tour since I moved in, which was the end of August. It's now mid-October, so I'm not one to spend a lot of money just to make my room look good. I love decorating and stuff, but I'm not gonna just spend a lot of money that I don't have to make it look good for a video. So this is really what my room looks like. It's definitely, I don't want to say minimalist, but it's very simple. I live in a college apartment off campus. I'm still in college, for those of you who don't know, with 3 other roommates. We are all friends and we live here. It has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, so every 2 bedrooms share a bathroom. So I'm going to take you guys on a tour. I just wanted to give a little background information maybe, and also I apologize if you can hear rain. It's super rainy and gloomy outside today, and I really wanted it to be nice with natural light, because I always have the window open with natural light and everything, but it's kind of dark outside. So I'm gonna do the best I can with what I have. So yes, we're gonna get started with the tour. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. So here's just an overview of our living room and I guess dining room and kitchen. So our light in our living room went out and we haven't fixed it. So it's pretty dim in here currently. Also, it's very, I don't want to say boring, but I guess I forgot to preface is that we don't really, it's not a stylish or fancy place. And also 2 of my roommates already lived here, and they brought a lot of the decorations and stuff that they found at thrift stores or family friends and stuff. So none of these decorations are mine. So we have just this armchair thing and a couch and this table. Also, we moved in and this apartment came furnished. So all of these pieces of furniture came with the place. So, yep, super basic living room. And our dining room, I don't know whose sweater this is, and they have this, which I believe came from a thrift store. And we have this shelf over here, which again, just some of their own decorations and some books and magazines. We have this whiteboard that we used to study on. Also, I drew this picture up here because also I forgot to mention we have cockroaches, and that's kind of a normal occasion here. So that is us. We had a pet roach for a time, but he died. And Leslie drew that one, and I don't know what that's supposed to be. Coming back over here, we have our TV and some movies, of course, all of the Star Wars, and some board games. So this next to the TV is, I guess, a coat closet, but we kind of turned it into a pantry. So we put a shelf in there, and then we each kind of have our own shelves. This is my shelf. As you can see, I really need to go grocery shopping, which I'm doing today, so that'll look better. So right next to the pantry is Caitlin's room, and I'm not going into anyone else's rooms because I'm just showing the shared spaces and my room. So on this little part of the bar right here, we usually have something set out for just kind of shared stuff. We usually have brownies or cookies or something, I guess. I don't know who got the candy, but yeah. So this is the kitchen. Pretty basic, normal stuff. We got some dishes that are drying that I will put away after this, and I don't really know what this is, honestly. And a toaster, coffee mugs, and the coffee maker. So in this door right here is our laundry room, and we have our trash in here, and we really need to take it out, and I didn't do it before I filmed this, so I'm sorry if it's really gross. So this is what's in here. Don't just ignore that. So this is our dryer and washer, and on the side we just have some miscellaneous things, and it's also where the cockroaches like to hide. We had one last night right up there. So in this door over here, it is going towards Sydney and Leslie's. So in here, that's Sydney's room and Leslie's room, and they have a bathroom to that side. Again, I'm not going to go in there because that is their area. Okay, so directly across from the kitchen is my room, and as you can see, I have a weird door situation because when I moved in, this was not here. It was just this, and I didn't have a doorknob. So I put in a work order for maintenance to come, and so they came and screwed in this doorknob, but it doesn't twist. It's just so that I can hold it so I can lock my door. It's really weird. Everyone else has doorknobs. I don't know why I don't. But yeah, it can only close from the inside. So this is my room. So here's just a basic overview of my room. Hi. So again, this all came furnished. So it came with this dresser and the bed frame and my desk and the chair. And here's what the inside of my door looks like on the other side of that weird door handle thing. I have to like do this if I want to shut my door. I don't have a handle or anything, so super weird. Okay, so we're just gonna get into it. This is my dresser. So I kind of allow myself to have like a nerd corner right here because I like a lot of nerdy things, I guess, but I don't always want to like display it all because that might ruin the aesthetic of my room. So I have my little Gudatamas right here and Diva, and my Pachimari right here. Also, shout out to Gavin's sister for making me this beautiful little drawing for my 20th birthday. So thank you, Maddie. It's very cute and I love it so much. So in here I just have some lipsticks and earrings and nail clippers and some of my eyeshadow palettes and makeup stuff. Same in here, some nail polish. Right here I have my Polaroid camera with some of the Polaroids that we have taken. This was from our 1-year anniversary and this was from shortly after. We're coming up on 2 years. So back here is an embroidery thing that I've been working on. It's not finished, obviously, so, oh, I still have a needle in that, oops. So it's not done, but I wanted to put it up because I like it. And here I have some of my elephants. Okay, so if you don't know, I love elephants very much. They're my favorite, and I collect little like figurines of them. And I wanted to decorate my room with some of them. So I have some of them in my room. This is not my whole collection. I have more back at my parents' house, but I brought some of them here. So you're gonna see a lot of elephants in this video. So I just have some of my elephant figurines right here. This little guy is like, I think he was supposed to be like a candle holder, but I use it to put my necklace and my ring that I wear every day. This is another embroidery I made and it is finished and it's super cute, and I found this line art picture of an elephant on Pinterest and I really wanted to remake it. And then this is just a vase that I brought from home that I really like. So in these drawers I have like underwear, socks, bras, and swimsuits. And in here I have like pajama shirts and just t-shirts and pajama pants and workout clothes. And then down here I have like shorts and skirts. And then in this last one I have some sweatshirts and then some extra like towels and linens. That is it for my dresser. So moving on to this lovely mirror that I have. I've always wanted to have a mirror, like a big mirror in my room. So this is a closet, and on this side I have some jeans and like pants and long skirts. And these are more like summery clothes or like short sleeve shirts or tank tops. And under here I have this little shelf and I just have this thing. I don't know what to put in it, so it's back there. And like my umbrella and belts and hats and stuff, they're just kind of sitting there. Down here I just have my little shoe rack thing with all of my shoes. And in here I just have like my dirty clothes like laundry basket. Moving on to this side, I have my like big jackets and dresses right here and long sleeve shirts and coats, so this is all like my winter clothes. There's my laundry basket, and I have this thing which I bought at Target, and it just holds a bunch of random stuff. Here's some lotion because I didn't know where to put it. And now in these drawers I just have coupons, some Gudetama stickers, tape, notes from church stuff. I have some of my embroidery stuff in here, just a lot of miscellaneous things. And then in this one I have some more embroidery cloth or fabric and this is just a manila packet thing that I wanted to keep. I have some bandanas and some of my pop figures, which I love. So here's my most recent one. It is Leia. I love her. And this is my sweet baby boy, Kylo Ren. I love him. And then I have Maggie from The Walking Dead. And here is a carved wood Millennium Falcon that a friend of mine from high school got me a very long time ago. It's been quite a while. But yeah, just a bunch of random stuff in this drawer, and same with the bottom one. This is another embroidery piece I'm working on. It is going to be like a little swirly tree, and it's for my mom. And I just have a lot of miscellaneous things. Here is some of my coffee that I got from Costa Rica that I have not tried yet because they're actual coffee beans and I don't have a coffee grinder. So yeah, some pins and stuff, more coffee, some notebooks down there that I have not used. So next to my closet, I have my desk, and this is where I spend a lot of my time. So here's an overview of it. And usually this window has some beautiful natural light, but today it is super gloomy. Underneath my desk, I just have some textbooks for class and my laptop case. And then up here, I just have some more of my elephants and a mason jar and this little vase thing that I got from my mom. And then here, I just have a little mirror and it lights up. And this is a lamp that I love. It comes out like this. And it's like touch screen kind of. Not touch screen, but you know what I mean. And so it does that, and you can move it. It's pretty cool, and you can move it up more if you wanted. And you can change the mode and the way you want the light to look and make it dimmer or brighter. So that's pretty cool. So now I'm going to show you my favorite part of my room, and that is my little secret wall back here because you can't see it from the front. So a little backstory for these pictures. I really like to go to antique malls or antique stores and look through and buy old photographs. I really love old authentic vintage photographs. These are all pictures that family members will sell, or not sell, but give to antique stores to sell for 25 cents. And they usually just have bins full of these. So I love looking through them, and I'll buy my favorites. So I have more. I wanted to put some of my favorite pictures up here on this wall. My plan is to fill it all with my pictures, but right now these are just some of my favorites. So here's just kind of a better close-up of some of these pictures. I love them so much. I think they're so cool, and a lot of them have writing on the back of them, which I think is amazing. I have some of my oldest ones are from the 20s, and some of my newer ones are from the 70s. And they're all just family pictures of these people that I don't know, and I think it's so cool. I love it. So right here next to my desk, I have my vision board for 2018 that I made back in January. I made a video of this, so I will link it above. It's kind of old though, and I've changed it a lot, so don't judge me. And then my only other wall art is this beautiful Return of the Jedi. It's not even a poster, it's a hard wood thing. And I've had this for a few years now, and I love it. And if you can't tell, I really love Star Wars. So yeah, that just hangs above my bed. Next to my desk, I have my backpack, which I'm going to take with me to class in a few hours. And then I have another one of these things, which was in my closet, but I have it here next to my bed. It's kind of a makeshift nightstand. So on top, I just have a box of Kleenexes and my bullet journal and my regular journal. And I recently got this book from the public library. I wanted to read it. So if you don't know, I am a writer. I did not write this book, that's not my name, but I am a writer, and NaNoWriMo is coming up, which I made a video about. I will link that right over here. And the novel that I'm writing is kind of similar to this, so I wanted to find a book. I just looked up books that are steampunk-esque, soft sci-fi adventure novels, which is what I'm writing, and I found this, and I never heard of it, and so I got it, and I'm not that far, but I really like it so far. If you want to go check it out, it is Retribution Falls by Chris Wooding. It's pretty good so far. So in this first drawer, I have just a bunch of papery things, some to-do lists, my YouTube video schedule, and this folder and this binder are both for my novel. I have this thing which holds some of my Tombow pens and just regular pens. So moving on to the second drawer, I have my contacts and my glasses cases and some books in here. And in this last drawer, I just have some like school supplies. I have some of my notebooks for class and like school supplies like pens and pencils. Underneath my bed, I have a lot of things. So in this tub right here, I just have like extra furniture stuff. And then in this basket, I have some snacks because there's not really enough room in our pantry, so we all kind of keep our own snacks in our own rooms. And then beyond that, it's just a bunch of miscellaneous things like extra sheets and stuff, and some reusable shopping bags, as well as some plastic bags for my bathroom trash. This is the door, so this is the front door, this is where we came in, and then this is my door to my bathroom. And this is another weird doorknob situation where this doesn't turn or pull, and I have to do that to open it. And then I just have this on the other side. So this is mine and Caitlin's shared bathroom. That door right across goes to her room, and then this is the like toilet and shower door. So this is her side, and then mine is right here. This is my side. Super basic bathroom, I guess. Hello again. This is my sink, and I have my contact solutions, and my toothbrush holder, and toothbrush, and my brush. And I have 2 soaps because this one is broken. And I just have this medicine cabinet right here, which I just have a bunch of like vitamins and Tylenol and stuff. And same with here. This is another contact thing. And in this little Godiva like chocolate case, this is where I hold all of my bobby pins and ponytail holders and scrunchies. Very convenient. I recommend getting one of these things like this. Plus you can get the chocolate, so. And then more vitamins and deodorant and my little vitamin case thing. In this drawer, these are Caitlin's makeup wipes, and I just have toothpaste. And I don't actually know what's in here. Oh, just like cleaning stuff. I never use it. Underneath my sink, I have another one of these plastic drawer things. And I have this trash can, which is so cute. Just ignore the plastic bag. It is so pretty. It's like a marble trash bag or trash can. I have some Vaseline and my healing clay mask, which I did a video about, and I will link that above. You can go watch like my 2-week trial, and some tampons and pads back there, which I don't use anymore because as I mentioned in another video, I have a Lena cup now, which is a menstrual cup, and I love it. In this first drawer, I just have a bunch of like skincare products. So I have some micellar water and tea tree oil, my toner, face mask, face spray, moisturizer, stuff like that, some floss things. In the second drawer, I have my makeup bag and a like makeup brush set, and another big makeup palette, and some bronzer and blush palette. And then down here I just have a bunch of kind of miscellaneous things. I have some cotton balls and Q-tips, as well as perfume and another brush and some contacts, stuff. Super miscellaneous. So now going into our little bathroom area. This is what it looks like. Looks like a bathroom. We have a toilet with some basic toilet-y things. In here we just have some towels and miscellaneous stuff. We have a lot of miscellaneous things. And then the shower. So I'm going to film the outro right here because I forgot to pre-film it when I was doing the intro. So I hope you guys enjoyed my apartment tour. It's very basic. I'm just a college student. Doesn't look too fancy or anything, but it works for me. I like it. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe if you would like to, and I will see you guys in my next video.